Alright, everybody. So, in the interest of not listening to the wife piss and moan about the smell of burnt metal in the house, we moved her outside. So, picked up extras. We're probably going to wind up testing these out. These say that they'll cut half-inch steel. We're going to find out if they do at some point, I'm sure. And there's our workpiece. This thing's kind of beat, but we're going to see what we can do with it, eh? I want to put a curve here and here on the two ends of this thing. And the tools that I have are going to make that extremely difficult. So, and would have taken like days. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to come in here with a hole saw and create that curve. Come behind and smooth all that out with the grinder. There's some of you guys out there that are freaking out. This is a bimetal blade and I'm about to cut train track with it. Yeah, you can do this. You just gotta be careful. So, get a decent hole saw, not Harbor Freight. Keep her oiled and take your time. You can set the drill to low and just keep it wet. Go slow. It takes a while, but it's way faster than trying to cut that curve with the tools I had. So time got away from me a little bit. Apparently that took more than 30 minutes. My camera only films 30 minutes at a time, so you didn't miss any major wisdom. Anyway, this worked a treat. It did take half an hour to do it. And my battery drill's pretty warm. I'm going to let her chill for a little while. I'm running 3 batteries, so the drill hasn't had a rest. But I got a nice pretty hole. That worked out really awesome. I've got the main shaping done, so now I gotta do the whole round over thing on the horn, beak, whatever. I think I'm gonna stop here for this video and pick up later. It's Sunday afternoon, I got too many things to do, so we'll pick it up next time, right where we left off here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. See ya. And I make a bigger drop cord. I thought I was smelling the oil, but I'm smelling the drill. It's not the first time this one's done this, though. Alright, guys, so I got one hole cut in almost a second before this hole saw died on me. I mean, I've got that much of it cut, so I'm about to blow through, but the hole saw's just not cutting anymore. So, damn it. Actually, guys, I'm going to try something here. I got this little diamond needle file here. I'm going to try touching these edges up and see if I can't get this thing to cut again. Because I've only got to go through like a 1/16 of an inch of steel or so. I don't have a whole lot to get through. There's the tooth I'm looking for. Alright, let's see if that did anything. Shite. Well, since that didn't work worth a shit, the sharpening of the hole saw thingy, just gonna put a new one on there, finish that bastard up. Now, of course, you're gonna act like a jackass. Not gonna stop pissing me off. Alright, I think we're just gonna pick this one in from the back. Alright. Alright, that was just way more difficult than it needed to be. Holy shit. I know I typically have a PG rated channel, but that sucked. Alright guys, so I think I've had enough abuse for today. Oh man, I've got the main shaping done, so now I gotta do the whole round over thing.